Now let's talk about what is authority and responsibility. It means that managers must have the power or authority to give orders and make decisions, and they must also be accountable for the results of those decisions. For example, a small clothing boutique with a store supervisor and three staff. Good day! I just want to get a replacement on the defective shoes that I bought yesterday. Hi ma'am, I understand your concern, and I'm sorry for the inconvenience. Let me just talk to my supervisor about this. Ma'am, we have a complaint about a defective shoes. Can I ask for your approval to replace it? Okay, let me check first the item and the customer receipt. Okay, I'm approving the replacement of the defective shoes. Thank you, ma'am. So definitely this is an example of how the store supervisor possesses the authority to decide on such matter without getting the approval of the owner to avoid delay. On the other hand, let's have another scene. Hi ma'am, it's already 9 in the evening. Can you now check my till balance? Sure. It seems that your cash on hand and system balance are okay. We can now deposit the cash in our vault. Thank you, ma'am. This scene shows that the store supervisor has the responsibility to audit or check the work of the cashier. Thank you and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.